Kani kadai kedudashan Meghalaya bagi pediang sengabai pi baro syakatuk kubor menta gajan mit syuaban pai shiki kubor ngini pechwa yakimat bukongsan. Antau isi kaseng NPP Haji HEDC daga jingkasyan lang kaseng UDP bat ki MDC Shimet anshimti uba tombor shiwat na kaseng NPP kumusiyan. Anya kendu lang shwa ka Voice of the People Party bat ki MDC basyak jit thamai banrai ya kejing jit ya UCM ha KHEDC. Lemla kaseng Kongres banjop watang kaweru ha KHEDC dan kam ban bishar beniak biang ya kidupam yalam ha kaseng. Kena ke Voice of the People Party bapendan kam ya kabor pisa ha GHEDC kentat ke NPP ya keni kecing kena. Ki kubor ki babenia kaseng National People's Party kalarai banyalam ya ke Executive Committee ha Giant Hills Autonomous District Council da kejingkersyan lang jang kaseng United Democratic Party bat arngut ki MDC Shimen uba tombor shiwat unsa shimti kum Chief Executive Member katba uba laski rembai na kaseng UDP un yai beteng ban shimti kum Deputy CEM ha ka result kabalami henin kasngi kaseng NPP kala job na ki khatlai tali ki constituency bat menta kala yo ya ka majority lengba kejingkersyan lang jang laingut ki MDC na kaseng UDP bat arngut na kikertong shimen kata ikong violet lindo bat iba moonlight parian kabala penlong baro khat prangut na ki arpho khandangut ki MDC la penlong ya kejingya kedu lang bantau ya ke isi bathamai ha kaba unong yalam ka NPP u Dr. WR Khaluki ulai khuble ya baro ki MDC geblash yo ikeching jom.
Ultimately we have 13, so ultimately it will be the NPP who lead the executive committee.
So, with your coalition partners?
Yes. We MDA. Actually, MDA won from in Giant Hills Autonomous District Council.
I've seen the performance of the party in Giant Hills. I think is very good, very good. If you look back during the MP election, all the 7 seats were by the UPP, but now we got 13 seats. I'm very satisfied with that. I think we will form the government. We'll form the EC in the Giant Hills Autonomous.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party ka klempat penbana yanu kanjit banlong kum Chief Executive Member ha KHEDC kaseng kadang penlong ya gajinya kendu lang bat khat nyongut ki MDC ki belasya jit thamai na KHEDC bat prangut ki belasya jit thamai na JHEDC ban shim ya karai halwar banjit yanu banlong kum UCM bat ki wei ki dikhat ha ka Executive Council jong ka KHEDC ha ka wei pat kaliang lapau shai ba kaseng VPP kan syong ha kaliang persya ha JHEDC hadian ba ka klemyo banyalam ya ke isi.
We have to, because the BPP is very distinct in its ideology. So, as I said, that even when we try to form the government after the 2023 election, we put certain conditions before joining any coalition. So, our principles, they come first. Our ideology comes first before anything else. So, we will accordingly take action as per those lines.
Kajing bamla jong kaseng Kongres banjab wat tangkawe ke syukiru ha KHEDC kalak pen kuslai ya kaseng ha kaba State Working President jong kaseng uba pensngan NCM ulaong ba uba Vincent H Pala unong yalam jong kaseng ha gajala udan kam ban bishar biang ya kinong yalam jong kaseng ha gajala bat ban wat ikidaw tanrai jong kani kejing syarem hadian kejing bamla ban trebha ha ke election MLA ha usnam arajar arpolai bat ha ke election MP Hausnam Arajar Arposau kaseng Kongres mentak la shimjing ban jam syakman uba pensngan ula banjur ba kaseng kadon kam ban ngam jeliu ban lap ikidaw tanrai jeng bomla ban treba ha kani ke election ban chiet nong mikmat syaki Autonomous District Council.
Kung decision ba din ba laron na duka hagamele ngiram pun ngiram sa MP jimik da sa laingut ki MLA Mungkin lalu dari simul basdang ini sokar armut, ini sesanut, ini selainut long arpo, plus kondisi mengenai berapa tidak melut, Terus ke jingre memang lagi election. Dia nasu bagadi ka jisu ki klik yang yang ban berkat dagwi rum berkat.
Kaseng National People's Party kalamat igijing bomla trebha hak election banchiet ya ki nomikmat hak Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hakaba kalajab tang saungut na ki arpusan ngut ki kertong ki ba kala penyeng wat hapdeng gani ka result kaba ka klem kimi lenti kaseng NPP ka yang scam hala ka nongrim bat bakan syong hakaliang persya haki HADC unong ai ktien kaseng uba HM Shangpliang ulapan pau bakaseng kan sakmi bania halor ki rukom trai kam jongka bat kan satrai shitam hakaliang gajing don kam ban penbha kaseng NPP kan satrai ting ban ai gajing syakri ke babhai ki pat ba hagini ki snem ki ban sawan.
Not like to say that it is a vote against the government. People would maybe they wanted a change in the district council, and yes, we are in the government. The party is in the government under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, and we will continue to serve the people even more better. If there are lapses somewhere or there are drawbacks somewhere, we'll try to find out and try to correct those issues wherever there are, and we would like to serve the people.
Unong aiktien kaseng VPP u Dr. Batskem Merbo ulaong ba kaseng kahap ban yakun persya ekabor jong kapisa haki election banchiet yaki noyalam haki JHEDC nakaliang jong u ulapan pau yaki jing sngaus kamba lengba gajing don ja kaseng VPP hakathan kelas dang ban penkala yakakam san himasima hakathan haka result henen kasngi kaseng VPP kala job tang pratali kisuki bat yo duna ya kathong bakalabu Henry lengba kaching ai ching hikai bat gijing pensngo thu ikipat ba ka Carmen bakanla banle bhapat haki election giban sawan u Dr. Merbo ulaong bakaseng kamat igijing tenchu hakikat tu kani kichaka bat dan kam ban trei bha shu ban pensngo thu ya kipat ba.
That money power and muscle power prevented.
As per the reports that we received, yes, those play a very important role in the in this election, and but as I said, this intervention of the VVP has brought a lot of change in the in the political environment in the areas of the JHDC, and we believe that in the future with the with the penetration of the VPP and with the political education, political awareness that the BPP would be bringing in the Jaintia Hills districts, we believe that one day we will be able to perform very well. But as I said, we express our gratitude and thankfulness to the people of Jaintia Hills.
Unong yalam barang ba kaseng NPP ubaderu usembut menteri rangba gejala uba sniaw bhalang dhan ula kentaj war ya gejing keno bala pendan kam ya kapisa bat kabor ban penjob ya ke election ha JHEDC ula ong ba watla ka parti kam shamlale bha ha ka KHEDC Henry ka wot chang ka parti kala keu na ka iwe point pra nyolak sha ka r point pra lak ha ka thain Khasi Hills ha ka ju ka por ula ong ba gejing yo wot chang ka seng VPP ha ka election MP ka badang shudam kala hiar sha ka lai point nyolak na ka san point nyolang.
Election ni ka muscle power kamputuan kipai ba ki wan thep vote ya ka vote boborom ni thep sok namani o khalai sit mud we use muscle power la pile ke muscle power lay for a small example give you pick in by shot yeng yo tu rong ba sang bodim dengan arwan hantula ile pa de be ki use muscle power the small ki job khani usit ha ngin only ki use muscle power. No, we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate to people.
Haka election KHEDC layo I bakibuan pa kinong thewud kila thep ha unuta kani kadai kadak bakim hun yaki kertong ki balayang ha kani ki election kaching don jong unuta omtang bakapen kaladur kaching yo wud jong ki kertong Henry kapen paru ya kaching bom hun kinong thewud yaki kertong khamtam ha ki jakasor kum hanong po ha pen thor kra bat hanong thamai layo I bakidon buan pa ki bajet ya unuta namar bakim yo ekalat banjet ya ukertong bakimon. Lami ke jingkulmar hakikat tu kan ni jaka hadian ba la penmi ya ke result jangka election ha ki autonomous district council la sakhi ba kaladon ke chinga sho ya dat hapdeng ki nongkershan jong uba tebor pathau bat uba edison kharumnoit ha maulai hadu ba la hab ban wan de ki pulit ban tuklar ya ke ni kakam kawe pat ke jingcha kaladon ke jingsha kawang mau ya ke yengsa jong urang ba shnong barim ha ka shnong narwan East China Hills ha ka ba la keno ba ki dei ki nongkershan jong ka seng VPP na kaliang ki bor ba Khmi kelahap ban pencari daki pulit ban pentikna ya kejing syong suk ha kini gijaka. Kajing penpena ya ke result ha KHADC bat GHADC kapen I ya kadak jang kejing kwa cingkala ki pait ba na kinong mi khmat bathamai I principal barim ka Shillong College ikong MPR lingdo ilapan pau ya ka kamram jang ka council ban yada ya kiriti doster ki kendau ki siap kacaj ban rit pat ha ka imlang salang kumju ru president ka FKJGP u dandi si kongset ula kadau baki pat ba kisania ha ka council ban yada ka ktien ka kendau ka siap bat kamariang shu lakmi lenti ya ka ka ba kini kino ya lambat thamai kenla ban pen urlong
kumna kalyang jongi kum kaseng kalong ba lingba kanika Regulation and Administration of Land Acts kapa 2021 ni kwa ba nakalyang joka KHDC kan tray borba ya kaba kadiban lech kini ki border area ki jongi ni ki rilom khasi ki jongi kalong ba kin lech ban registered ya ki jaka ki puta jongi ki bri ki jongi ha ki thain khapon
Ka Meghalaya High Court kala penrem ya ka St Anthony's Lower Primary School halor ka jing pen pra jongka ya ki yeng school ka baladon nyau pho arsnem klem da yo ching bit na ka yeng bishar wat habala tip badeban da yo ching bit chwa ki bor penya jongka school ki la ya chakmat ban pen pra ya ka ni ka yeng school ha ka ni ka ayam Christmas baladem ka yeng bishar kala batharu ya ka school ban IT ya ka affidavit ban batai ya ki kam jongka haswa ka khat nyau tarik ulber arajar arhusan ka yeng bishar kala ailat ban tebeng ya kate ki school henry kalabatha ba ka chingte be thamai ka dei ban long kum ka chingte ka barim ka Meghalaya kadang pen khlan ya ka kam jingo kai parthei de ki chingthmu ban bu chingtho bachna ya ki map lenti ya kchat bat ban kentiu ya ki jingele kai kum ka paragliding ka jala kabu ahmad ban kentiu ya ki jingte kum ka scheme ban thaw ya ki homestay knang ban kershan ya ki trai shnong bat ban ailat yaki ban kamai ka sarkar kan kentiru ya kila chingshakri kan thop ya ka kam jingok kai perthei lang ba ki helicopter da ka babu iki chaka penyang helicopter kom hagi chaka badan kam kum hasora.
Adventure tourism is a very important vertical under Meghalaya tourism because we know that we have beautiful caves, we have beautiful trekking routes, we have beautiful waterfalls, and we have a multi-pronged approach. One is definitely we want to build the capacity of our local service providers, build further capacity of the tourism service providers so that the best trained people, manpower is available.
Mentapan in page ikijing long jing man kasun beneng hatura. Kajing kreat kalong lipo degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong kan rio degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong lipo saw na kashispa. Haba pai pat chenong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong nyo point saw degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong kat pra point lai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong rio pau na kashispa. Kat ba hajawai kajing kreat kalong kandai degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong kat kandai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong saphuway na kashispa. Kasun beneng hatura shalong bat jawai kala bandon kecing hap slap ka bamalumala hakikatu kani kicaka. Te paralok katu ngilapoi syaka bakut jong katuk kubor jingi mentaga janmiat hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai kesni keblai pi baro.